viewers. We are back with another questions homesteaders get asked, and today the question is, why is homesteading so popular? Now, to look at the question from a different point of view, I would ask the question, why is homesteading popular again? Because if you look at how we have developed as a society, the city lifestyle at one point was the trendy, the popular thing to do, because that is where all the opportunity is. And at that point in time, everyone was quote unquote farming or homesteading or off-grid. But why is it popular nowadays? And my answer, or our answer to that, could be a number of different reasons, but one thing, and the biggest thing I think that people look at, is the quote-unquote easy lifestyle, which yes is true, but at the same time is not true. So yes, we do have an easier lifestyle if you look at, we don't have a clock to punch in every day. We don't have a boss to tell us what day we want to take off, what day we want to work, what jobs we want to do that day, what jobs we don't want to do that day. For instance, in construction, I never had the option of working in the rain or not. If the boss told you to go work in the rain, you're going out and work in the rain. Exactly. Here, if I'm seeing a downpour and I need to do something, well, I'll be like, well, sorry, Kimberly, that's going to wait till tomorrow because it's downpouring. There's no sense in doing it. And so I'm going to either do this, this, and this, or I'm going to have a day off and do it another day and not take a day off in the next week or whatever. Mm-hmm. So I don't know, you want to touch on that?
Yeah, in terms of an easy lifestyle, yeah, there is obviously the outdoor work that needs to get done. Andrew's right, we don't have a boss that's knocking on the door or calling his cell phone or whatever, but we do have things that have to happen. So while it's an easier lifestyle because you're not accountable to anyone other than yourself, it's also a harder lifestyle because things take longer and you are your own system. Mm-hmm. And you have to work with Mother Nature. So Mother Nature does not always cooperate. Things where we live can change very quickly. It can be raining one minute and sunny the next. And that just happens the way it is. So you have to work with the weather and the way that things are with Mother Nature. Yeah. Some people would say that that's an easier lifestyle. Some people would say that that's harder.
And then yes, coming in the winter also, yes, it is a little easier because basically there's not much to do outdoors or in around the house but cook, stay warm, and then clean the snow when you need to. So yeah, in the winter it is a lot easier because there's less to do.
Yes, but cooking on a wood stove is a whole different ballgame.
Yes, but it's not hard.
It's not a hard thing.
It's just longer.
No, it just takes longer. Yeah. So systems are different when you're living on a homestead, for sure.
Now, the next reason why it's probably popular or trendy nowadays is people want the freedom from a fragile system that is obviously being exposed this day and age with everything that's happening in the world. We don't have to just focus in on one thing. If you look at the global economy, the global society, we're in
a pickle
and a very not good place. For incorrect English there.
And the food supply and the fragility of the system itself, the entire system that the world relies upon for transportation in particular, of goods and services and things like that, is very fragile. And a lot of people have come to see that over the last 2 years, I would say. It's become very obvious, particularly in the last 6 months. And for those of you who are not quite awake yet, it's about to become even more obvious. And so part of the attraction of the homesteading lifestyle and of homesteading becoming more popular is that people are starting to realize that they need to have something outside of the centralized global system to be able to support themselves, rather than relying on the fragility of the system.
That's right. Yeah, especially if, well, it's not if, it's when they start getting into the digital IDs and start rationing foods and having limited supplies and not allowing you to buy meat. And if you don't believe us, it's being put on ballots down in the States already to eliminate meat being sold and going with synthetic beef and soy-based and plant-based and all that nonsense. And a lot of people out there just aren't having that. They want real food, and they want to be in control of their supply chain, their grocery store, and whatever it might be. And another thing is also the cities are becoming very, very hostile and tense and dangerous situations. So people want to also get away from those situations, especially with crime rates going up, and pretty soon you're going to have people starving and looking for food. So it's just going to start to excel faster and faster. So that's another reason this lifestyle is looking to become more popular, or is becoming more popular and trendy.
Yes.
Anything else for you?
Because people want to make sure that they're able to survive what's coming. No, I think that's it.
We covered all the bases?
Yeah, we covered all the bases.
Awesome.
Hopefully that answered that question. Thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate the views. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.
Take care. Thank you.